Good start. If you don't like, come on, some girl, go to the video line.
Let me spend a little time in your boat. And the treasure me a find in your boat. Start standing in your boat. Come and look in your boat. Let me spend a
This is Twin Star. Don't take them to the night.
Everybody see your body. You make sound.
The boss girl, let me find the video right now. Find the video right now. Find the video. Yeah, man, see the boss girl, let me know. What the girl never shut the bar? It's on an infection, the pussy clean.
Your phone on in the tired, you look a really lazy old. Cock up your body and brace.
The girl that might on the selector there, you know. Clock, big red, the pussy fat, some girl. Big red, the pussy fat like you have a pump, so full of pistol. Aye, girl. Yo. Promote that channel.
You need to ring like Rambo. Your phone on in the tired, you look a really lazy old. Cock up your body and brace the pole. Cash the cocky and pay the toll when you bring the phone on.
You make me cocky get tougher than a pressure cooker. Me and your fucker, you and my body rocker. Skin it out, just up and the dump and you make me slap up your body.
Twin Star.
Your pussy tight.
Watch it with them.
Big kind of people that are something you a buffer. Sperm to me must stick down cocoa butter. Love it and find your belly and fish back your butter. Can your pussy good and damn cool. Put your boom boom, you have to get it in a control. Be a back shot.
Now come on for the girl. Be up on the girl.
Watch the girl, never catch it, every girl back up. Girl, I do the bucket tail with the man back of them. Girl, never catch it, every girl back up. Girl, I do the bucket tail with the man back of them. Bucket tail, girl, I do the bucket tail, bucket tail, girl, I do the bucket tail, bucket tail, girl, I do the bucket tail. Watch the girl, never do the bucket tail.
When Papa come out, the girl them feel good. I mean, them selector.
The girl for your wine and chicken and rock up in a place. Rock up and jack up and catch up in a place. You make me party then cock up in a place. Me and them cock up in a place. Girl for your wine and chicken and rock up in a place. Rock up and jack up and catch up.
Every girl bend over, bend over. Every girl want to drink till you bend over and fall. You're gonna kill you.
Pull up, bump.
Bend over. I am back for you, baby. I am back for you. So if you like for the big one out there, sir. Just the back, sir.
Just pull up to me, bounce back.
When me pull up to your mouth, cocky make your ball and make you spray.
All the girl them full up the nigga, full up the nigga, full up the nigga. Full up the nigga now. Every girl them not the nigga now. We know man shine it for the girl them. You not the nigga now. You not the nigga. Big red, big friend. Barber girl, your turn, roll up. Yes, turn. The barber girl all over that. Make sure you dance and wait. One. Execute in the time. Barber one time. Hey, barber girl, I hear a favor going up. Put me, I'm here saying your road. Put the light on that. Put the light on that. One by one, I'm going to show all them bad. Look how she bad. Big Red, are you up next now? Alright, show them the butt style. Big Red. See this style. Big Red, I shoot, I bust this style, yeah. No, my big friend, no, my brother friend. Sometimes Big Red, you're not supposed to. See your butt, so. Walk like a dog and cock up on piece. No, the next one now. Oh, God. Ready now. Oh, Jesus. Twin Stars. Why the Twin Star them now? The Twin Star them. Ready now. now. The walk go bush part and the bush girl in there. The whole out of a dance together and put on a song right now. Yeah?
Yes,
Yeah, we go together now.
what that are they do this on
Organize the party, Papa.
I'm getting a spirit.
Organize it.
Girl, come here, you like my wine, Yes, girl. What that are they do this on I'm getting a spirit.
Round in the car, wine.
Come here,
Oh, God.
you like now.
Go on at the summer now. See the start. All right. I can't take them a say. White stuff. On a short boy. On a short boy. Boy, watch it up current now. Let's see. All right, bro. You know what I like? Some girl that take people, man, and when the man go foreign, them go airport and ball this long crocodile tears. It don't look good enough. Big up the girl, man, you can keep it in your corner and keep it in your space. And you bet the thing work, huh? You have some matey that get wifey treatment. I'm rate them matey, them good girl they say.
Records. Easier said. You get a one touch. Just go sit.
Ready again.
Aim up. Stop going like a year man. You know that you're just a one night.